my name is Sammy, and today I'll be showing you how I plan and prep for my vacation. So I would say that I'm a definition type A traveler. I like to make meticulous plans. I don't really typically do anything spontaneous. Honestly, I just can't help but plan travel because I get so excited that I like to look everything up. I believe that if I'm spending this much money to go somewhere, then I want to make the most of it. I will admit that I go a bit overboard, you could say, with the planning. I don't think planning travel is chore at all. I actually love doing all the research and everything like that. If you want to become a better travel planner, or you're just curious how I plan my vacations, then stay tuned. Starting off, I use Notion. Notion is where I kind of start the planning. And it's basically you could say a main hub of where I note down everything that I find, everything I'm interested in. Let's just go into the example. By the time this is uploaded, I would have just come back from this trip. So we'll use New York as the example. So I have the important stuff written down, for example, the flights that I'm taking and the hotel that we're staying at, things to remember. And then other things that we have scheduled is the Harry Potter Broadway show. You can see on the right side that I have just a list of things that I find that I'm interested in, I have food, and personally I just like making it look aesthetic on Notion. Down here I also have activities, and I also have links to these next things that I'll be talking about here. So now the second thing that I use is I like to make my own Google Map. So if you don't know what that is, I'll first show you how to do it. So when you go on Google Drive, click New, and then down here more you'll see Google My Maps. I'll show you the example of the one that I've made for New York, which is in the corner here. The main reason that I use this is it helps me look at how far apart the things I want to do are, so I can plan an itinerary, different sections. Here I have attractions, and then I have a bunch of food, and each one you can change the title and also change the color and the icon. I'll see, oh, these foods are close together near this attraction, whatever, and go from there. And then this is a website called Wanderlog. I would say that if you don't want to use all these different websites, then Wanderlog is a good one-stop shop. It has a clean design, and I think it's easy to use, and it is free. You can upgrade to a paid version, but I'm just using the free one. You can share this with your friends who are on your trip with you, and they can contribute or just look at the itinerary. I definitely don't use all the features because I'm planning on 3 other websites. You can directly put a confirmation link for your flights and hotels and stuff, and it'll just automatically appear, as you can see here. You can see here that you can put places that you want to visit, restaurants, like how I have all of that on Notion. Okay, I mainly have my days planned already, and then I'll just put it on Wanderlog. My favorite thing about Wanderlog, and a reason why you can use this and you don't have to create your own Google map, is that you'll see on the side here, each day has their own color. Thursday here, all the places that I want to go to are numbered on the side, and you can see where you're going. It shows you the line between all the places, so I'll go from 1 to 2 to 3 for connect the dots, and automatically when you add things to your itinerary, it'll put the opening hours. You can also write your own note. There's also this budgeting section, which I haven't really played around with. If you're not crazy into planning like I am, I would definitely recommend Wanderlog. Lastly, because I'm insane, but I have started using it just for an overview. Typically I'll have this screenshotted on my phone. If I don't have Wi-Fi or data, I can just look at this. And also I like how you can see everything on just one photo, the dates that I'm going. And then the bolded, italicized is important time sensitive things like reservations and stuff, places that I want to go to. The reason it's green is just because the day is full. That is just an extra thing that I do for convenience sake. it's a special design, I will get them done and come back and let you know why I'm doing them, because originally I wasn't going to. So I got my nails done. It was a design that my nail girl posted that she found off Pinterest that she wanted to try doing. So I got them done for a slight discount, and I wasn't gonna do them for this trip because it's pretty short. It's an apple design and New York, the Big Apple. So it's like I had to, you know? These are my nails. I just got off work and I'm gonna get a lash lift. I'd say I only get a lash lift for either like a special event or vacation. The width of the one that I usually use is, I think, an 1.5 inches too wide. I think I'll have to find a different one to use.